It's my pleasure to award 3 Presidential Awards for Innovation. I'm going to ask that the students who are nominated and are receiving these awards, when I read your name, just start making your way to the stage so that you can receive your award. And I'll say some lovely things about you that were written in your nomination letter. Students honored in the innovation category have exhibited exceptional creativity, ingenuity, and initiative while students at Shawnee State University. Our first awardee, Parker Lauders. He was nominated 3 times for innovation and for collaboration. Professor J.T. Ock wrote, Parker is at the forefront of the development and implementation of the Smart Robot Assistant Swimming Coach project by integrating expert advice and feedback into his research, demonstrating a high level of self-motivation. Parker created a bowling alley data capture device outside of class and a robot that uses AI to navigate itself. There's those robots. Parker serves as Vice President of the Shawnee State IEEE chapter and promotes a culture of collaboration among engineering students by organizing events and fostering a space for technical and professional exchange. Congratulations. Our next student is unfortunately not able to be with us today. The reason is she is presenting her undergraduate research at the Midwest Psychological Association meeting with her undergraduate research mentors. But Dawn Jordan, a psychology major from West Union, was nominated by Dr. Kyle Vick. Dr. Vick said, Dawn is the driving force behind a project where Michael Barnhart, Jim Hudson, and I are helping her build a neurofeedback system to facilitate brain teaching. According to her faculty, Dawn is innovative and continually developing ways to help marginalized communities. Let's give Dawn a little. Our final recipient in the innovation category is Kyle Moroscher. Is Kyle here? Yay, come on. A game engineering student from Lewis Center, Ohio, is our 3rd recipient. His professor, Jason Witherell, nominated Kyle, stating that he is an avid developer and has researched many marketable technologies. He has been the lead developer in attempting to make a local company, Flipchit, an app to accompany his physical board game. Congratulations, Kyle.